they're not a good tack for the topsail, this one, but they're going well. Just had a reflection on the rigging and tightened a few things up, slackened a few things off. Just going past the bench head, you can't see that. That's our target, and you'd have to say that all looks like it's going well, because they're probably 20 degrees lower on wind than us. May just be that they're getting headed up there, I don't know, but we certainly pulled 10 degrees higher when we had a reflection on our rigging. Very difficult operating the focus at the same time as hanging on. You can see, all grand. Not quite as windy as I thought it was going to be, but nevertheless, it's alright. We've got a smack in the distance, one of the super smacks. Starting to gain a bit, but we're still well clear of those. And the one we rounded a little while ago, good ship whiting. We've got them. They're quite a way behind now. We always knew that we would beat them on the point, I think. But there's a bit of do me day job as well. There's a member of crew in action. Just about to sweat up that rope. Alright, you want a hand? Okay, some sweating, one lady's pulling it down. The other one is really good.